Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Dwayne. Yes, Dwayne, come again, chatting people business. Yes, enough self. Yeah. So he's talking about, you know, other people business, and him say, like everybody else love people business, and that's why I wanna chat up and labor and labrish with other people about people. So I know him one. So there's something else that came out, another video that he is dissecting. So go watch it for yourself now. See what I'm talking about and see why him love people business. So alright, and subscribe, share, comment, and remember to catch the next video after this, okay?
Side and God's side. My side and God's side. And if them say I saw it go, I saw it go. You understand? Anyway, to all of the people them out there, and listen me loud and clear, listen me loud and clear. All of the people them out there who feel say them need have something, put it down here, put it down. Me not call about the name, and me not choose a side. Because the people them can talk here and them talk when them talk. So, me gonna say again, give what is due to Caesar, to Caesar. And me is not, me not go better say that, because if me say, me gonna say look well, it gonna look like say, me a choose side, and me no want to choose a side. Me not choose no side. You understand? You understand? Oh, hey, me know some voice nine, me know some voice a nine, but me don't care. Me love my a nine voice. Who don't like me a nine voice, will come out for the life. And if you don't like people business, if you don't like people business, you come off for the life, because over here, sir, I just put you pan time out. You've come off for you. You are crossy. You go pan time out, come off. You're bright out and think. You're brighty. Why go and definitely good girl? You want me, alright? What me I say look at me put that somebody pan time out. Because it's all tired. Hey you. Don't do it again. Look at me miss my damn pint. Why you do it? Yeah. You see me? That's something I like insert myself in a people business. Me I'm gonna put up people business. I love people business. That's something I only love put up people business. On the can't say what me say no can me not say it. Me not say nothing. So all who wants to mix up, all who wants to love people business, alright, me love people business. On love people business to the one I wanna buy ya on social media, love people business. That's why I don't find to pack up at night time and daytime I chat about people business and I listen to people business. So nobody come make a look and say I mean what love people business. The wall away love people business. The only difference between me and Uno, me can openly say, me love people business. I mean, I care who want mix or who want please, because you see it? No, I don't have female club in a shelter. I'm a love people business. Me love people business. You understand? Alright. Anyway, me could jump right tonight. Because I know enough people are gonna have content now for dissect. We're not gonna have enough content for dissect. Oh, and what me did I say? Me gonna put up people business. That means say, me gonna chat pan it or insert myself in it. No, me gonna put up people business. So if that make me mix up, alright, me mix up now. Father God, me mix up. Me hold me mix up tight, cause me love people business. I mean not top love people business for none of who want to say, boy, make a cancer or no go and leave me alone. Cause what I know, secret love people business too. Me proud to say me love people business. Anyway, look at me a score social media to backside. And me go back up in that thing. Mr. Lord God. Father God, what Father God, you know Father God, why you do it? God, never question to ask. God never born to pick with you actually. Why you gonna buck up in the people in business? I know say me gonna put out the people in business. Father God, if you stop it, you know, if you stop it. Because some days more in a little peace and tranquil and my own business. Anyway, without further ado, I could jump in on the people them business. On ready? On ready? On ready? On ready for the people them business? On ready? On ready? Alright. Me not care if I'm ready or not. Me don't care if I'm ready or not. I could jump right tonight. Right tonight. Right tonight we jump in right into it. We jump in right into it.
Sherry, men annually attacking. Sherry, men annually attacking. Yeah, but it hurt me because everybody have it in a phone and say me make people beat and that me can never get over it.
If you don't know about it, you say you don't know about it. You don't care about that.
But no, when the beat not yeah, me know you come look for me.
You put up on the life and me don't want to chat about it. Me get me ranted beat me. Them say me say you say and them say I don't say.
Okay.
Even everybody in it. They pass by looking for my mommy and she was done and I stop and no say hi. Big up everybody right there.
Lancashire, me could
Look, I black me and me and more. My granny does dead. Me just go and be the right person that I can be.
Lancashire, when you say
all them people, eh?
yeah, mother, come say hi, Julie.
Turn the video, make them see Julie.
Make them say Julie.
So turn on the camera because them know me straightforward. The beat no run and the people them at which say me Dana make the man them beat me. So whether the man them beat me, the beat no run. But Dana never beat me.
Me never
On the air! On the air!
Come on, me see you. Me say no leave Sherry call when me a go in. Sherry can me say my office.
Me a come here while and me never see her. When me a go there, me never see her come out of rush.
Lancashire for Sherry call go when me a go in on my van. See her there see my van there. And me see her she tell me say her mother.
Natalie there.
Everybody there she come over. You see God on time. Wicked people. See her. Ask her how long me a
and the
for.
beat them when me get me still a link.
Alright, Sherry.
On the air!
When we want you make clear in our life, Junie and Sherika mother, you ever see me there and make Sherika get beaten?
No, but them beat
On the air, the mother talk to. The mother talk now too.
Anything I run, nobody have no strength over that.
Alright.
I'm not talk to Miss Dana.
Eh?
I'm glad I could get a chance to talk to you because I'm praying, you know.
Yeah.
Me I still don't care what I want. Anyway, I'm going to people say I had the foundation of it, so. I still have to remember where I come from. So who's I'm come here, I beg, because I know I love beg. Anything I do, I'm going to drop, and if you drop by the truth, the truth.
Don't put up there.
You come check for Miss Dana, never really check, but pass and she see me and me stop.
But ask her, you can't ask me.
Yeah, we are. We now work about some different
Internet a job
school and rock man, believe it, it will come up. So big up everybody where they are. And big up on yourself. And big up everything. Anything you want to write on the platform about confession. Nothing like that. Miss Dana see me a while ago and called to me.
Yes, Mr. Sherika.
She wasn't there. I got beat now, but she said she wasn't there.
Sherika and me say you know when me come and me see her, me say Sherika, I want to leave Sherika alone. And you know some of the people them up a fear side. I mean, I want to call name in a phone because I live in a ghetto. You know 7 minutes there at
church. On my side. I want the people beat me. It's done on a kind of foolish and I look at me as a mad somebody. Who come to me so who can me go so and beat me. Two sides to every story so. We don't get the beat now. If we never was friends, we are friends now. She see me and say what my Sherika and ask her, I gave it and I relate back. If I had something in mind.
No, you say you beg me something.
Yeah, I beg something too.
Yeah, you say you
beg me something. The crowd know that all who
I say me chew a word for her enough. Talk what you tell me.
I chew a word for me in a phone but I never get no out. I'm going to tell her that she be proud of me because I still try and build one half of my own. We never say that to you. Yeah, man, never proud of me. We can't love stand for me. It's not done yet, but me in a one, I'm comfortable. And we are watching.
I say me know Sherika get boxed up. Me never hide and talk that. And I say when Sherika come on the phone and say, Dana, make them beat her, crack me to my soul because me never hide it.
Then people come here and say, this the lady, so you're going to get regulation.
And when people
the lady organize it, I saw them we are going to put it. We don't get the video, we're not talking about that. And for the people, they want to make the pass flow, you know, can have a nice day on the life. Me just show my face, say, yeah man, one day we're going to talk again and things we're going to talk about. Yeah. Mommy already, I told me I'm going now.
Well, I'm not coming. So, granny dead.
Yeah, my granny dead.
Lancashire? Trust that driver, but I can't persuade them as I come in. I
don't need to see some talk some things and some talk some other things. You know what you talk, man.
Before all this, look how far me I come from.
Everyone I go people say, see first somebody where Auntie Dana had up and up. I don't need. My name ever call it Miss Dana once, so nobody now go change that. And if one day I feel like say, I will stop walking with hatred in my heart and start have love, God will see with me. I don't need the crowd to see with me. Yeah. I'm a pray every day, so no come by and come tell me to pray. Me ever pray, that's why I still live. After the beating and everything, after the allegations and the lies and the stuff, I am here same way. Yeah. Yeah man, big up on yourself. All I will know. You them say if you are the best. And them expect say we have Vietnam and when you call the place of us Iraq, we have a war and kill off one another and dead. Now this time you know we can't take confusion. But you say Miss Dana, when me I beg you, give me now. On the live me I beg you know who want their foreigner chat.